coming down the bridge, we're gonna turn right at 5th Street so that we can go to my favorite spot. Straight ahead, that is Waterman's, the light blue building. That's one of the most popular restaurants here locally. A lot of people like that. And they're pretty expensive too. As you can see, they have valet parking. You know when they got valet parking that it's expensive. We're making a right on Atlantic Avenue. Watch out for the pedestrians. Oh, they got the lights on. Yeah, you can get some cool pictures of that. See, alright, that's one of the pedestrians I'm talking about. Crazy man with no shirt on trying to run across the street. Alright, so over there to the right is where the mural is on the beams. I made a video about that. I like to park over here because, again, they have a bathroom. That's the building with the blue top. There's like nobody out here either. Alright, we're just gonna park right here. It's pretty nasty out here, but you get really cool pictures during times like this. So I just want to show you guys, like, if you're going out shooting, some things that you would need. This is a rain jacket for your camera. I'll show you how to put that on. Pants, waterproof pants. Keep yourself dry. Of course, this is waterproof to keep my bag dry. If you're looking for a photography case, book bag, make sure it has one of these so it'll keep all of your equipment dry. Now, you can see I have on a jacket. This is made by Columbia, but it's completely waterproof, so I'm actually going to stay dry wearing this. So basically how this goes on, it's got this little buckle that goes around the camera. Make sure you unlock your lens before you do this. Now, that's the only part. This is a little hard to focus with this on. But yeah, basically you got your camera in here, it keeps it dry, and you can stick your hands in here and operate the camera. Alright, I just saw some lightning in the distance. Back over that way, behind the pier. So I'm going to see if I can go down this walk using my monopod, along with the waterproof cover by Alturo. And I'm shooting on the GoPro right now because it is rainy and I don't want to mess up my other cameras. I should have got down here sooner when there was all the lightning, but it's really not safe to shoot in the lightning, obviously. So there's dolphins in the ocean and people think they're sharks. You can hear them yelling in the background.